Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're all doing fine. So today is a collective book haul. So recently I have been buying a lot of books, which makes me kind of distracted from the current lockdown situation, and I've been loving and exploring a lot of different authors and books which have been recommended a lot in Instagram. So if you're following me there, you would know that I've been buying a lot. So just to give you a glimpse of what all I have got, I'm going to be doing this video. And also, if you're new here, please take some time and subscribe my channel, watch the content of my channel, and please click the subscribe button. So guys, the first book I got was The Rudest Book Ever by Shweta Gangwar. I have like a mini review in a previous video, so watch that. The second book is by Sudha Murthy, Wise and Otherwise. I got it from a local store. So it's very hot, that's why I tied my hair. So the next two books which I'm going to be showing you are my Flipkart buys. So this book is called The Alchemist and this one is called The 5 AM Club. I think these books are like most suggested books by many of the YouTubers if you ask for non-fiction at the same time self-help. The first book, which is The Alchemist, is written by Paulo Coelho. I really love this book. It's a completely motivational book according to me. So this book, I've completed reading this book, and the Robin Sharma book, which is The 5 AM Club, I've started to read this book. I completed around 4 or 5 chapters. Then I was distracted by another book which was also most requested, which is coming up later in the video. So these two books are definitely must buy books. They are priced for 350 rupees each. The next book which I got from the local store is Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayanan. I think many of you would have read this book during your childhood, but I somehow missed it. So I just wanted to read this book, and it's a collection of short stories. I've heard a lot of things about this book. Maybe I would have read 1 or 2 chapters when I was a child, but I don't really remember anything of those. So I just wanted to buy this book, and it's about 195 rupees, so why not pick this book. And I really like the smell of a new book. So it has a collection of around 50 or 52 short stories, I guess. I really don't know the count. I'm just seeing the contents just now. So I kind of completed 4 or 5 short stories, and you can learn a lot of new words in this book. So if you are someone who's looking to improve your vocabulary, you can definitely go for this book, because it's kind of a very easy beginner read. At the same time, it is only short stories, so you can read 2-3 short stories and take a break. Okay, the next 2 books I got it from an Instagram store called BookShow. It is available, it has an app for itself, and it sells a whole lot of books for like second-hand price, a very old book price, and a new book price. So I got 2 books from them, and the shipping was a little late. Maybe during this lockdown, every shipping is late, but that's okay. The first book which I am loving and I'm currently reading is 1,000 Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini. Like, I really love how the author describes and makes us picturize everything of a scene, like starting from a room or starting from a person's dressing and everything. He just describes so well that we can imagine, picturize, and it is like a movie for me. I really love the book. I started to read this book last night, and I finished 15 chapters now, and it's kind of very emotional. And if you are a person who loves to read emotional fiction books, then you can completely go in for this book. The next book is also one of the famous young adult books, but I haven't started to read this book, but I've heard a whole lot of good reviews about this book. I got it for 150 rupees, which I think is a great deal. I am talking about The Fault in Our Stars. I think this has come up as a movie as well. I haven't seen the movie, so I want to read the book first, and maybe I can see the movie later. But it is one of the most requested young adult romance books. So I think this is priced for about 400 or 500, but I got it for 150 rupees from them. And the book kind of looks new, and the pages are also very neat. So I'm excited to start this book. Coming up next is 3 books which I got from the local store. The first book is by Paulo Coelho. I've been loving the author so much because of the book Alchemist, as well as Khaled Hosseini. I have ordered 2 more books from his writing. So this book is called 11 Minutes by Paulo Coelho, and this is about a sex worker and how she finds love in a painter, I guess. Yeah, a young painter. So I haven't started this book, and this is a very new book. It is priced for 350 rupees. and I really love the smell of the book. The font size is a little bit small in this book, which I don't like because the Alchemist book has a bigger font, but that's okay because I think the pages seem to be less, like 200 pages, so I can easily finish it. The next book is one of the most requested self-help book and a spirituality book. So it's called The Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das, and this is a book to find balance and purpose in your life. So I haven't started to read this book, but I am excited to read this book because I've been reading a lot of non-fiction self-help books lately, and this is only for 250 rupees. I think I got all these 3 books for a 10% discount from the local store. And then one of my most wanted books, I would say, it was always wishlisted on Flipkart or Amazon, but I wouldn't get it delivered to Chennai because it's a red zone. So this book is The Crushing It by Gary Vee. So Gary Vee is a YouTube personality, and he gives a lot of tips on improving your YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or whatever social media it may be. So I am excited to read this book, and this is priced for $4.99. The book is actually around 250 pages, and I think it gives you tips about any social media that you want to improve. So those were all of my books. So it's a complete collective book haul. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you have any of these books and if you loved reading any of these books, please post that on my comment section below. I'll be happy to read them. I'll be meeting you all in my next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned.